Well, I have Mrs. and Mr. Darling from Karnataka Bulldozer. One of them is not looking very happy with me. You want to tell me why, Krishna?
Whenever she interviews, the batting side wicket loses. So before starting the interview, only we lost 2 wickets.
Okay, I think now there will be no wickets. We can aram se talk. Okay, he doesn't look very pleased with me. Is that so?
Yes, it is unfortunate because we just got up to come to the interview. We were walking 1 wicket. We are here 1 wicket, so we are a little disappointed.
That's it. और कुछ नहीं होगा, और कुछ नहीं होगा. Tell me, pressure right now, or you think it's going to be easy?
It's slightly we have pressure is there, but we have got the batsmen to do it. Let's see. How close we can get into to their target. So once we get near to the target, then next will be a fresh game for us. Second innings.
You guys do have an advantage. You got a rest day yesterday, and this is the third consecutive match for Bengal. So they may be tired and you're well rested. Do you think that's going to reflect?
Yeah, definitely it will reflect in the second innings. So right now, they are doing well. We'll try to reach closer to their total.
How well do you know what is the strategy of the team?
Of Karnataka Bulldozers, no, there's no strategy as such. I think there are amazing players in the team. Sometimes it's luck. Sometimes it's sometimes these 2 wickets were unfortunate. Krishna's we got unfortunate, I believe. So let's see. I think we have many more batsmen to come, and we have another innings as well. So there's always a hope. And
She's super positive. I like that about her. Does she keep you positive?
No, she actually pressurizes me more.
But she also told me that you always look back when you're there, whether she's here on time or not. Is that true? Or you just look out for her, for good wishes and your good luck?
No, I will, before going, I'll just see it, look at her face and go. And if I don't like coming late and all, so that I'll be checking.
Yeah, you were right. But partially he said that he likes to see your face and go as good luck, right?
Right. That is also there, but the more is about the time sense. You got to be on time
Okay, tell me, out of both of you, who's the one who's always on time?
Absolutely.
She's never on time?
I've learned it through him.
Okay. Who's more patient?
Me?
Okay. Who's the angry one? Right?
Right now, a little bit cranky. She's
Okay, she's cranky. No, angry. You're the angry one. Who's the funny one?
No. His sense of humor is good, but I'm funny.
No?
Actually, I crack jokes. She just laughs.
So you're the funny one. Who's the cooler one?
Me.
You're the cooler one?
Yeah,
Who's the hotter one?
I guess.
Okay.
Obviously, so only.
Who's more loving?
Me.
Who's more caring?
Me.
We. See? We. Oh, that's sweet. That's where the team spirit comes in from. Okay, now tell me, how's the team right now? What were they thinking yesterday? What's in their mind today?
Now they're tensed and throughout the meeting we just had just relax and just will not play as the finals. It's just another game. So just relax and play. Right now it's a little tensed. 1 or 2 good shots. We'll be back.
Listen, you've had a fabulous season this year. You've played super well.
Yeah, I had a good run, but unfortunately I couldn't do it in the finals. But I have another innings.
Yes.
So hopefully, Trivandrum, I'm not scoring much runs, but definitely next innings I will try to do as much as possible.
Okay. Well, lovely talking to both of you. All the very best. I hope the best team wins. Thank you very much. And back to the comments.
Thanks, Poppy. It's been tough going. Wonderful to hear from Milana and Krishna.